fish, 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 fishing. I'm going fishing, hook, sinker, and line. I said fish.
All right, guys. So
That one's trying to come out. It's trying.
me, Michael, and Tyler were fishing at this pond, and there's this goose,
Baby goose.
and this one's trying to get out.
His mom left him.
Come here, buddy.
Guys, it's Michael's fishing. We're all here. We were fishing. That is a really big pond. I was gonna make a video today, but we found this baby geese. He's trying to get out.
Oh my!
His eggs are cracking.
Come here,
So
buddy.
it looks like he's gonna have some friends.
Oh my! Oh
Come
my!
out.
This is crazy.
You can hear that.
Oh well.
You can hear that one coming out right there. Oh shit!
Should I help this one?
I don't know. Freaking the mom goose was squishing. Don't.
It's coming.
You gotta let him come.
That's not this thing.
She's fine. She won't do anything.
Dude, there's an egg down there. I think this one's right here. Because it already came out. Oh, the big fish just jumped right there.
This guy's trying to get out. Tyler, what size bait are you casting over with?
That's pretty big bait.
Oh my, he's up.
Oh. Is he getting out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's getting out. That'd be cool if we could keep that thing.
Call your mom and ask her. Dude, oh my, this thing is so cute. Can I pick it up?
Yeah, pick it up. Put in your hand.
Come here, buddy.
You can hear him making that noise.
He's alright.
Oh shit. He's
He's
alright.
fine. Alright, we might as well just put him back. Come here, buddy. Alright. Let's just leave him, alright?
Alright guys, this will be the end of today's video.
Alright guys, well, this
So-
is Michael. You can go follow his channel. What's your channel?
Michael's fishing.
Michael's Fishing. And
Yeah,
subscribe
subscribe
and
to
like his. My channel is Elite Bass Fishing. And
Yeah.
we'll see you guys later.